Welcome back, fellow investors. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of successful stock investing in 2023? The stock market landscape is constantly evolving, presenting new opportunities and challenges. In today's video, we'll discuss the strategies and tips you need to navigate the stock market with confidence. So, if you're eager to learn how to invest wisely and potentially grow your wealth, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in. To invest successfully, it's essential to understand the current market climate. We'll provide an overview of the economic factors influencing the stock market in 2023 and discuss the potential impact on different sectors and industries. Setting clear investment goals and understanding your risk tolerance is key to building a successful investment strategy. We'll guide you through the process of defining your objectives and aligning them with your risk appetite. Fundamental analysis helps investors evaluate the financial health and value of a company. We'll explore the key factors to consider when analyzing stocks, such as revenue growth, profitability, competitive advantage, and management team. Technical analysis uses historical price and volume data to identify patterns and make investment decisions. We'll introduce you to essential technical analysis tools and indicators to assist you in identifying entry and exit points for stocks. Diversification is crucial to managing risk in your investment portfolio. We'll discuss the importance of diversifying across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, and provide insights into effective asset allocation strategies. Now comes the exciting part, selecting stocks and building your portfolio. We'll guide you through the process of identifying potential investment opportunities, conducting research, and making informed decisions to construct a well-rounded portfolio. Investing can be approached with different time horizons. We'll discuss the differences between long-term investing and short-term trading, along with the benefits and considerations of each approach. Risk management is crucial to protect your investments. We'll explore risk mitigation techniques, including stop-loss orders, diversification, and regular portfolio monitoring, to help you stay on top of your investments. Market volatility is a natural part of investing. We'll discuss how to navigate market fluctuations, manage emotions, and seize opportunities that arise during periods of volatility. Investing is a lifelong journey of learning and staying informed. We'll wrap up by highlighting the importance of ongoing education, keeping up with market trends, and continuously improving your investing skills. Congratulations, future investors! You're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies needed to invest wisely in the stock market in 2023. Remember, investing is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and continual learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable investment content. Now, go out there and make informed investment decisions with confidence.